I was teasing that, but
It starts spinning.
Hey, howdy, hey! It's your old pal Woody.
Oui! Salut tout le monde! C'est moi, Jessie!
Right now, you're standing in front of what's called a zoetrope.
Zoetrope? Qu'est-ce que ça fait, ça?
You see how each sculpture is a little bit different?
Ouais! On dirait bien que chacune de ces petites sculptures est différente des autres. Pourquoi ça?
Let me explain. A huge turntable is going to spin these sculptures. Then lights will flash, so your eyes take a picture of the sculptures frozen in space. Your brain connects all these images so that it'll look like Buzz and all our friends are having a great big Andy's Room hoedown.
J'ai compris! La table va se mettre à tourner. Il va y avoir des flashs. Mes yeux vont mémoriser tout ce que je verrai à chaque flash. Et mon cerveau va assembler toutes ces images pour donner l'impression que nos copains organisent un bal dans la chambre d'Andy.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah! Ça a l'air génial! Allez, qu'est-ce qu'on attend?
Come on, Bullseye. Let's ride like the wind.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. The aliens jumping in, yeah. And those army men were my favorite part. Parachuting down.
They're actually moving. Now it's slow sky.
that is very impressive. I would have known. I just walked through, and thanks for showing us. That's awesome.
For what?
You run around.
I think David should make one of those G.I. Joes.